Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI chatbot directly through WhatsApp using Botpress integration. So I got this idea after looking at Dua Lipa's new promotion that she used for her new song Training Season, in which she had her fans to text a number on WhatsApp, but unfortunately the experience was very average. And I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how that's going to look like. Now that we've seen the demonstration, I'm going to walk you exactly step by step on how you can integrate your own chatbot within WhatsApp. So in this case, you're going to go on Meta Developers. Just type in Meta Developers on Google. And you're going to click on Meta Developers. From there, you're going to click on My Apps after logging in. And you're going to click on Create App. Once you've done so, go on Other, click Next. You will then be asked to choose either one of these types, and I'm going to actually choose Business. In this case, I'm going to name this Dua Lipa Bot. Okay, then you select the email, and I'm going to choose Simple Bot for the business account. See if that's actually going to work. Okay, let's try another business account. The reason why you need to choose a business account is that so that you'll be able to access certain permissions. Cool. So now you'd be presented with the array of different meta apps that are presented to you that you can integrate. But for now, I only want to use WhatsApp, so I'm going to click on Setup. After we've done so, you're going to be presented with this screen. So this is where you're going to be integrating Botpress and WhatsApp. So this is where you're going to use the configurations, the API setups, and all that, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do. But for now, what we're going to do is I want to go jump on Botpress, and I'm actually going to click on the bot that I have. After that, we're going to go on integrations. I already have it integrated, but I'm going to show you exactly the steps to do so. So once you go and find integration, what I love about Botpress is that the ability to be able to integrate it with tons of different apps. In this case, we have WhatsApp. And I think it's a very intuitive and a very easy integration step. And just click on install once you have it here. I already have it installed as I mentioned. So let's now go back to Integration Hub. Let's go back to dashboards and integrations. Perfect. So you're gonna probably see something very similar to this. Okay, so you need the verification token, you need the access token, and you need a default phone number ID, which we are mainly going to get that from the Meta Developer Hub. Okay. Now, the webhook URL is going to be probably provided to you guys. Okay, if it's not provided, then you've done something wrong, but it should be provided. Now, let's go jump on API setup. Once you've jumped on API setup, you're going to be presented with this screen. Okay. Now, what you need to take into account that this is a test account. So, meaning that you can only access the token for 24 hours at a time. So every time the 24 hours are expired, you need to refresh this token and re-upload it on Botpress. Okay, again, because you are presented with the test number. Okay, now, since we've got that, what I want to do is I actually want to take the temporary access token and I want to import it into Botpress. So this is the access token. And for the verified token, I want to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put whatever you want. Just leave it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it works the best. Doesn't matter. And what I also want to do is I want to send messages from the test number that had been provided to me by Facebook. I don't have a different number. If I did, I would have used it. But I don't have a different number, so I'm just going to use the test number from Meta. And in this case, I'm actually going to choose my phone number now. Cool. So now that we've got this set up, now we need to copy the phone number ID to import it into Botpress. So let's copy this and paste it into here. And that's pretty much it from what it looks like to set up Botpress within WhatsApp on Botpress. So that's all you need to do, and you just save the configuration and enable the integration. Now, what you need to do is I want you to go to configurations down here, and now we need to enable the different webhook fields. Okay, but before we do so, apologies, before we do so, let's go back and import the webhook URL. So copy that, import it into here, and the verified token, which is 12345, import it through there, verify and save. Awesome. So now what we need to do is we need to manage the webhook fields. This is becomes a little bit more complex, but all you need to do in this step is click on the checkbox that says messages, and done. And that's pretty much it. So let's jump back to Botpress and show you what we have built. Okay, let's go on edit. Perfect. So essentially what this looks like is we're going to be presented with, hello, my lovely fans. Welcome to Dua Lipa's text community. Excited for what's to come. And then we ask the users for what is their favorite song. And the AI will essentially acknowledge the favorite song and will provide a quick fun fact about how that song was created. That's all generated by ChatGPT 3.5. Okay. And when we go over to the next step, we output the text, and then we have a continuation where we're able to answer the question that's being provided in this prompt right here, because we had prompted to continue the conversation with the supposed fans. And we have a continuation output as well, which again is a text field. And then what we do is I have a promotion. So obviously that's the idea of why, Dua Lipa wanted to integrate WhatsApp to promote her new song Training Season. And what I also have is I've added an audio, which is going to be shown into WhatsApp as an audio of the song, which I think is a great tool to have for her fans to listen to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to look like on WhatsApp. So now, going ahead with the new Dua Lipa chatbot that we just created. So let me just send out a message saying hi. So this is going to activate the chatbot now. It's going to send a message. So now that we've got the message, I'm going to choose, my favorite song is Levitating by Dua Lipa. I'm a big fan of this song. So what we're gonna get a message back from the AI saying, oh, you love levitating. That's so awesome to hear. It's definitely one of my favorites to perform. Fun fact about the track, just gives a little fun fact about how they created Levitating the song. And lastly, the last bit is, what's your favorite part of the song? I'm gonna say the chorus was really good. So the AI is going to take that input and it's going to have a conversation with the fan. So thank you for sharing your thoughts. I'm glad you enjoyed the chorus of Levitating. It's definitely a standout part of the song and many people find it really catchy. I released a new song Training Season and I'd love for you to hear it and let me know what you think. So after it acknowledged that the chorus was really good from the supposed fans, it then went with promoting the new song Training Season and also gives the song as a voice memo, which I think is a brilliant move for her fans to be able to listen to. Maybe she could have done something in a way where they could have given a preview of the song before it launches, so that way it creates more hype behind it. And this is how Dua Lipa could have taken this boring chatbot from just messaging to really taking it a step further and having a chat with her fans. So this is obviously a very basic build that we've just created, and we could definitely build something for you. If you're interested, please head down to the comments or send us an email at jad@simplebot.xyz.